An emotion is a subjective feeling or experience that is usually accompanied by physiological and behavioral changes. Emotions are often triggered by external or internal events and can range from intense and brief to long-lasting and subtle. Emotions can be expressed in various ways, including facial expressions, body language, tone of voice, and actions. Emotions play a significant role in human communication, social interaction, decision-making, and overall well-being. Let's take a look at some common emotions in American English. Confident. Confident. Happy. Happy. Sad. Sad. Bored. Bored. Surprised. Surprised. Angry. Angry. Anxious. Anxious. Suspicious. Suspicious. Disgusted. Disgusted. Loving. Loving. Amused. Amused. Frustrated. Frustrated. Shy. Shy. Disappointed. Disappointed. Excited. Excited. Curious. Curious. Can you spot the correct emotion? Confident. Happy. Sad. Bored. Surprised. Angry. Anxious. Suspicious. Disgusted. Loving. Amused. Frustrated. Shy. Disappointed. Excited. Curious. Let's review each emotion one last time. Confident. Confident. Happy. Happy. Sad. Sad. Bored. Bored. Surprised. Surprised. Angry. Angry. Anxious. Anxious. Suspicious. Suspicious. Disgusted. Disgusted. Loving. Loving. Amused. Amused. Frustrated. Frustrated. Shy. Shy. Disappointed. Disappointed. Excited. Excited. Curious. Curious. Congratulations! You did a great job. We'll be back soon with another video, so be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.